I get asked this question all the time. How do you contact LinkedIn support? Let me walk you through the basic steps of contacting LinkedIn support. Starts right here. You click on me and you go down here to help. In the help, you can go to open help in a new tab. That's generally what I do. And then you start with, I got a problem. So you type in the problem, you type in the question, or you go to recommended topics, your profile. You can click on that, search and apply for jobs, whatever it is relevant. You gotta use self-service first. And if self-service doesn't work, then you can go to the next step. So you can go now recent activity on LinkedIn. Click on that. And you look and see, does this answer the question? If this does not answer the question, there's other related articles you can use here, or you can go to other tags, or you can go back and you can choose another option. Maybe it's this one right here. Bottom line, use self-service first. If that doesn't work, then scroll to the bottom and you'll see Contact Us. Click on Contact Us. Now, what you have to do here is find out how to do something or get help from us. When you click on Get Help from Us, then when you choose a category, it's going to take you back through self-help. And you've got to go back through self-help again. But if you click on Other, because you have absolutely diligently tried to use self-help, then click on Other. And now you can start filling in a question you need help with, my activity view. And again, they want to have you do self-help. And then at the bottom, create a support ticket. And when you go to create a support ticket, you want to be as clear as you can, spell the words right. You have to, choose the issue type that you're having a problem with, the most relevant option you have here. Then choose the issue type, whatever it is that you're having a problem with. And then choose what site you're on, whether you're on a mobile or web or whatever. Choose what type of device you're on. Even if it's not, you don't believe it's relevant, fill it out. You have to fill it all out. Everything is required. The asterisk means required. And then you type in your questions and read it out loud and make sure that it makes sense. You want it to make sense to a fourth grader, not just to you. If you have images, share images. And once you've done all that, then you can hit submit, which will create a support ticket. And it'll contact the right people within LinkedIn support. Then you're going to get an email back from LinkedIn with information, ideas. Don't respond to the automated email. Wait till you get an email from somebody within LinkedIn support. They'll have their first names in the signature, and then you can reply back to that email and engage with them for help from that email, as long as listen to these words, as long as the email account that you're responding from is the same email account that is associated with your LinkedIn account. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope that's helpful for you.